What is up, Monkey Gamer VR? I'm gonna be kind of talking because tomorrow morning I'm gonna go on vacation for 5 days, so I'll be back on Thursday. 5 days I'll be gone starting tomorrow morning, and when I get back, I'm gonna start making videos again. So I'll be making videos for a while. This is my last video until I go. Also in my newer videos, not like right after I get off of vacation, maybe I'll do this in a full, yes. If I'm able to, I'm gonna screen record the sound effects, and I will add noises from the soundboard app, Meme Sound. And I'm gonna screen record it, take out the things, and use it. There's like 100, but there is ads, which is stupid. Wait a minute, there's a lot. Where is that one?
Am I adopted? Am I adopted?
How's it going, Bryce? My name's Peter Pie.
There's like hundreds of pages, thousands.
What are you doing in my
But I have a few of these sound effects added, and I will be adding them. Not immediately, but like trying to add them. It might not work.
What are you?
Wait, I'm gonna use this one.
Make sure to subscribe because it's not too late to join the family.
I might use the subscribe one.
Make sure to subscribe because it's not.
Thanks.
He needs some milk.
What are you doing, step bro?
That's what she said.
There's like, I think, thousands of pages.
Yes, Daddy. Yes.
It's Leviosa. Oh, Leviosa. Yes. Yes.
We got a number.
This battle will be my masterpiece. Don't.
One victory.
This page is not the last one. It keeps going. Also, I'm gonna be making a video, just like a small video, and this is gonna be one of these. Maybe I'll put this out.
Pick up Fredwards? Sorry, your online order isn't ready yet.
Why?
Our internet slows down at this time of day, so orders take long.
If you want it, I will at the end of this video show you. Let me try to find one. I swear there should be a Discord one. There has to be a Discord, right? Like a Discord call? Yeah. Yes. Discord call. If you don't already know, go join my Discord. And I also have a Discord with my friends, and yeah, that is the sound. and then Discord join when you join the Discord.
I will build a great
Cox Business is here to set you up with tech solutions.
But that's it for the video. If you want the thing, the app name is Meme Sound Effects on the App Store, on a phone or a tablet, and I'm probably gonna, if I want to use sounds, I'm probably gonna screen record the sound, and just the quickest thing, cut it, and then just use it in the video. If I can't, then maybe not, but it won't be right after I get off of vacation. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.